Aloha and welcome back to the DP Newscast. I'm Elodie and this is Olivia, your DP Newscast host.
Today's Thursday, February 29th, 2024.
Happy Leap Day!
Wow, over the weekend will be very warm. Well, let's go to Morgan to find out what the weather will be like today.
Good morning. I'm Morgan, and here's today's weather report. We're expecting sunny skies with a high of 49 degrees with a wind of 11 miles per hour. Did you know that Arizona is the sunniest place on Earth?
I'm really hungry. Let's go to Addie to find out what's for lunch.
Today we're serving French toast sticks with chicken sausage patties, oven roasted, fresh vegetables, and a variety of fruit. Our grab-and-go for today is the nacho dip kit. It contains tortilla chips, cheddar cheese sauce, salsa, and a go-gurt.
In honor of Black History Month, we have two special guests, Hattie from 4th grade and Grace from 5th grade, who will be highlighting an important person.
Hi, my name is Grace and I'm a 5th grader in Mrs. Wyon's class.
Hi, my name's Hattie and I'm a 4th grader from Mrs. Cordermeyer's class. February is Black History Month and this year it is themed African Americans and the Arts. Over the last couple weeks, a variety of students have shared and highlighted important people and the reasons why we celebrate Black history.
Today I would like to highlight Alice Walker. Alice Walker was born on February 9, 1944. She is an American novelist, short story writer, a poet, and a social activist. In 1982, she became the first African American woman to win a prize for fiction, which she was awarded for the novel The Color Purple. Throughout her career, Walker has published 17 novels and short story collections, 12 non-fiction works, and collections of essays and poetry. Alice challenged systems and people. She broke boundaries and inspired and encourages so many women and people of color to have a voice and be the author of their own story.
Diamond Path, we appreciate you learning with us each week as we highlight Black History Month. Though February is over, this does not mean we close this chapter of history. February is just another opportunity to stop and recognize all the great leaders and sacrifices that have been made by African Americans in America and even around the world. We celebrate history to better understand the world, which will allow us to see the past connections we will with our lives today.
Thank you.
Let's go to Charlotte, who is on a location reporting from Mrs. Kwam's 2nd grade class, who've been learning about the water cycle.
Have you ever wondered what a water cycle is? I'm here with Ella and Wyatt from Mrs. Kwam's 2nd grade class. Can you explain your water cycle in a bag?
So we drew the water cycle on the bag. We put it in the sun on the window. We put water in it and we put it on the window so that it could have sunlight, so that it could shine on the back, so the water would go over the back like it was evaporating.
What part is the evaporation?
The part of evaporation is when the water from the lake goes up into the sky.
What part is the condensation?
It's when all the water comes together and forms to a cloud.
What part is the precipitation?
Precipitation is when the clouds gets too heavy and just lets all the water or hail or snow come. So our bag, we drew the water cycle. We put water up to the water line, and then we taped it up to the window so that it could get sunlight, so it could evaporate.
Thank you for sharing about the water cycle.
As you know, today's a leap day, but what does that mean?
An extra day in February?
Yes, but we added every 4 years for a reason. We have leap years because instead of 365 days, the Earth really takes a few minutes less than 365 and a fourth days to go completely around the sun. Without leap years, the seasons would start one day earlier on the calendar every 4 years. After 360 years, spring, which usually begins on March 21st, would begin on December 21st, which is when winter presently begins.
Wow, there's actually no leap birthdays today. Well, I guess that's a wrap.
Have a great day. See you tomorrow on the DP Newscast. Sayonara.